Well, here we are staying at Corinna. We've come across the Pyman River on the 2-car barge called the Fat Man Barge, and they've given us room number 7, which is Louise Lovely. It's got a name, it's up there. It's a rustic little old place with a rusty roof. So we'll just walk up the steps. Up you go first, Fairly. There's the key. So we have outside our neighbours are there. That's Delvin. There's neighbours there. There's some other nearby neighbours in the street. And oh, he's lovely. Little outdoor setting for romantic afternoon dinners. And then we'll go inside and we'll have a look at the inside of the house. We come into this main living area with an electric wood heater, fake wood heater. It does a really good job, makes the room nice and warm. Panning around, there's Fairly on the beautiful couch.
Hi.
Small kitchen, close neighbours, small table, basic, all you need. Bathroom and toilet there. Everything packed up ready for us to leave. Out the back we have rainforest and a small patio with again another table for outside dining. And of course we come back around and Fairly's moved, she's over on that chair near the window because she never sits still. And in here we have the bedroom. Beautiful king-sized bed, very comfortable. Wilderness rainforest outside. And as long as there's no snoring, it's a beautiful, perfect room. Thank you.